Thank you. Welcome to my channel, Rob's Garage. What you're going to see here is a host of different vehicles that I own. I'm going to start off things with a 1995 F150 that I picked up the other day. It's a really nice truck. It was a good deal, and it's something that I'm interested in showing you guys. Let's get a walk around with this. So it's a 1995 F150 XLT regular cab long bed. The previous owner had done quite a bit to it. It was a bit of a passion project for him. And so he'd been cleaning up the cab corners, the fender wells, the wheel arches. He gave it a 3-inch lift, as you can see. For the body. He went ahead and did a 2-inch leveling kit on the front end, 33-inch tires, new Pro Comp wheels. All the glass is good. He has a new exhaust on it, so he did single pipe with a glass pack on it. Still has a catalytic converter. I'd like to have duals on it, but you know what? It sounds good. It runs good. It's not too loud, but overall, it's in pretty good shape. He still has the factory plastic bed liner in there. And personally, I was like, you know what? I think I want to change it out, put it in a spray-in. But this plastic bed liner is nostalgic for me when I saw these when they were new. And I kind of like it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and keep that with it. He went ahead and he has the retractable hooks. So we can get that, tie the vehicle down when we need to, and keep the cosmetics looking pretty nice. That was a nice addition of him to go ahead and source. Got the dual fuel tanks, so already replaced the fuel pumps and made sure everything was working in there. Got new filters going, so that's good. Inside, the doors are a little loose, so that's something that we need to fix. The upholstery is in great shape. There's not too much to complain about that. And amazingly, for the year it is, not seeing a lot of wear and tear. The dash is immaculate. I can't believe how good the dash is in this. So what I would say is normally you're going to see cracks, rips, fading, tears, just looking in terrible shape. We've got an aftermarket radio. At first, I was not too excited about that. I like to see the factory radios. But this has Bluetooth. It has hands-free calling. So that is going to be real helpful. So, the trade-off is going to be there. Power windows, power locks, all kinds of stuff. It's kind of even the factory floor mat in there. So I thought that kind of funny. The carpet is in pretty good shape. I was surprised at how good the carpet was. But, there are little things where you've got like the little stains and stuff like that. But that should be an easy fix. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood is just about as good as it was on the interior. A little dust and stuff like that, but that's nothing a little cleaning can't take care of. Previous owner had already done a bunch of stuff. As you can see, the throttle body's been changed out. The air condenser for the air conditioner has been replaced. The power steering pump has been replaced. The hoses are in good shape. The belts are in good shape. It's got a good battery that's in there. Truck fires up every time. He also replaced the booster for the power or for the brakes. All kinds of little stuff that the previous owner had done, cleaned this up. Still got the jack and the handles and stuff like that. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Even the underside of the hood is clean. So, like I said, the previous owner had done a lot. Side note, he also changed out the headlights, so that's a quick and easy fix that adds a ton of function and cosmetics. The previous owner, when he had the bed off to do the fuel tank sending units and stuff like that, he went ahead and stripped the frame and he went ahead and coated and treated it So that's good. Now the problem is he only did from the cab back. So as we can see right here, he didn't get the cab forward, but it's not in that bad a shape. So I should be able to take care of that and get that all cleaned up myself. And then a little fun part here. He has LED strips that he put underneath the frame on both sides and on the front and back. And that's going to be something to play with later at night. Overall, I would say this is a pretty good truck. The previous owner, he had done a lot of TLC to it. It was kind of a passion project for him. Like I said, with him having a baby coming, it was something that he had to change gears with and move to something that was going to be more suitable for a family. So with him having done a lot of stuff, I mean, this was a great deal. I'm going to clean up some of the little things that I'm finding as I go. When I get to highway speeds, I notice that it floats a little on the front end, so you need to tighten the suspension back down. The doors, you know, they're a little loose, so I want to stiffen those back up. The transmission is shifting a little funny, so I want to make sure that we get the transmission where it should be. The rear glass, I want to make sure we get that situated and taken care of. Cleaning up the carpets, little things like that. You know, all in all, you know, just finishing what the previous owner had started. But like I said, it was a great deal. It was a great find. Originally, I was looking for a 250 in this year range, but the 150 came up and it was in such good shape and with the right price that I couldn't pass it up. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos as we go. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think and what you'd like to see me work on with it.